Hey there, everybody. So we are at the last month of the third quarter of the year. So it's been exciting. It's been a different year, definitely 2023. A lot of people had ideas of what's going to happen. Some things came to fruition, some didn't. But overall, it's been a very stable market. So let's deep dive here of the month of September and see where the real estate market lies for El Paso. Just a reminder, these stats I put together every month, there are stats that we record on a month-to-month basis. So we look at the difference from this month to the previous month, and then we're lagging. So we're really looking at the month of August for these statistics here. And I always like to say this, I put these videos together just for information, for educational purposes, is just to give you an insight of what's going on in the real estate market, whether you're looking to sell, to buy, and hopefully help you make that better choice or a better option for you and your family. That's what this is for, right? But let's get started with the median sales price for El Paso is $255,000. So that is up from the previous month, and it's up about 1.2%. So it's not a huge increase. We're not seeing this jump in pricing like we were doing before. So overall, in the last few months, like I've mentioned, the stats have been pretty flat. Like if you look at the stats throughout the year, pricing, etc., it's been pretty flat. Not a lot of movement, but still creeping up, just slightly creeping up month after month after month. So a lot of people that I've been hearing of market crashes or people waiting for the market crash, good luck, sit down, because it's going to be a while still. It hasn't happened. Closed sales, number of homes that sold, actually closed in El Paso for the month of August was 776 homes. That's up again very slightly, 2.9% from a previous month. Active inventory, okay, active inventory, the number of listings that are showing up on the MLS was 2,059. Again, that's a number that was actually down by 3.3% lower than the previous month. So it's fairly normal this time of year. Late summer is usually the market slows down. So that's why we're seeing that. It's not really good for us now in the market. If you're looking, there's not a lot of options, not a lot of homes that are listed in the MLS, active inventory. So you might find yourself looking for a house and not have too many options to pick from in the MLS. But that happens. It's going to change. There's different things that could increase it, make it come back up. So stay active, stay vigilant of what's out there in the MLS. Days on market, so this number has increased, so homes are taking a little bit longer to sell. When I'm telling you a little bit longer to sell, is from like 14 days last month, I believe, to 18 days this month. So it's not a huge increase. It's still pretty flat. I mean, anything under 30 days is pretty much flying off the shelf. Homes are going fast. You might have a little breather where you go and look at a house and think about it Saturday, and we'll think about it and make an offer on Sunday. You might have that luxury, but still don't hesitate. Don't come back and revisit during the week or next week. That home's probably going to be sold. So be quick on your choices and decisions. I think that's true for any business decision. Median price per square foot. Okay, so this number, it's kind of weird because it should go hand in hand with the sales price, median sales price, but it's actually, and it's not this time. This time it came down a little bit. So it came down 0.7% from a previous month. It's still quite high, the number is quite high from last year per se, but it's $150 per square foot. And new listings that hit the market in the month of August were 934. So that was down from a previous month by a 2.6%. So what that tells us, the new listings are down. That tells us that it's even a little stronger seller's market. So if you have a house that's been waiting to be sold, let me know, of course, but it's a good time to sell. I know you might be hesitant about, I talked about this last month, but you might be hesitant about going out there and like selling your house. Okay, now where do I buy? Because my rate's gonna be a lot higher. So yes, your rate could be a little bit higher, but that price you're getting is going to be fixed for forever. You're going to get the price of today for a new house. That rate could change. You could refinance or do something else, buy down the rate. We could set up an appointment. I could give you all the insights on what strategy is best for you to take when selling and buying the next house. But don't hesitate. You're going to shoot yourself in the foot if you wait for the rates to drop, if you wait for the market to shift before you sell to buy something else. So if you're a move-up buyer right now, don't sit on it. Make the move today. right? So I hope these videos help out. I hope this month's video was insightful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know where you think we're going to end for the year in 2023, and then I'll see you all next month.